Here I have Motorola Moto G60s, and today I'm going to show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the display section, advanced, wallpaper. You can select one of the live wallpapers, but firstly you will have to download them from the internet. You can select one of the pre-installed on-device wallpapers like this. You have different themes, or you can just select any other image from the gallery, which you can download from the internet, for example. Let's just select image. Here you can adjust how this image will look, and then just tap confirm. Then select if you want to set it on home screen, on lock screen, or on both screens. And as you can see, wallpaper changed. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.